Oh, it's raining outside. That's perfect. Thank you. Yeah, I saw the brick
holding up the side, so
these actually ended up looking very nice. Good morning. So today we have an interesting job. We got a picture from our client showing basically that the whole entire side of the wall is taken out by a truck. When we get there, I'll show you guys what the wall looks like. So I will get loaded up, grab some materials from the distributor right there, GDS. So let's go get loaded up. So right now, well, first of all, we got this new little toolbox. See, we got all the stuff from the shop in here. Just to stay a little bit more organized. So that's a new little addition to the shop. Oh, it's raining outside. That's perfect. Love that for me. Oh, that is such cold rain. I did not like that. Make sure you guys are good. Nice. Alrighty, so I'm gonna pull out this piece of track. Where'd those gloves go? Let's see how... Oh, of course it's jammed in there. Ran out of 3-inch track. Can't get it from the distributor. They don't carry it. So, let's see if we can cut this thing down. We got 12.2 probably. I'm gonna try to pull out this second one, just in case we're gonna need it. I'll wait because everything's gonna collapse. That means we're gonna have to fix it. So right now I'm just gonna get the lift hooked up to the truck and then figure out what's next from there. I hope that's lifted up high enough. Yep, there we go. Boom, look at that. The power of a backup camera makes life so much easier. Alright, our left one's working and we are set. I will get back to you guys when we are ready to take off. We are just trying to get some things organized because, like I said, this is going to be a very interesting job since they took out the whole entire wall. So we will have to see. Alrighty, well, we are all good to go. I'm going to go get some coffee because I am sleepy today, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. It's gonna be super weird, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Alrighty, let's go get coffee. Thank you. Hello.
All set, have a great day.
Oh, thank you. Alrighty, I have got my coffee, so I am ready to get going. So I will see you guys on the job site. So while I'm making my way to the job site, I just wanted to ask you guys, do you like more of the everything videos? Like, I just walked in the gas station with my GoPro on, which was extremely awkward, but it wasn't that bad. I have no problem, you know, going into stores with the GoPro on, going into the gas station. Like, I'll have no problem accumulating myself to that. So if that sounds like something that would be interesting, and you know, you can see conversations I have with people, I would be more than happy to do those kind of things. I just want some feedback from you guys. You know, if you guys like the super specific videos where it shows, or I go into more depth of how to install, like the garage door video where we kind of showed everything about installing a garage door. If you like those better, or if you like more of the entertaining, more fun, you know, more jokey videos, it really is what you would like to see the most. So if you want to just let me know what would be best, you know, if you've watched multiple videos, I've just been experimenting with stuff, seeing what I like seeing how I feel, what I'm comfortable with, because like I said, it's really awkward wearing a camera. Leave a comment below or something so you can let me know what's best, what you think would be best, what would be most fun, what would be the easiest to watch, what would be the most enjoyable to watch. But I will stop talking and I will get to the job sites. Alrighty, it looks like there's quite a bit of people outside. So I think he picked the perfect spot to park though. I'm just getting video evidence, that's all. So what, the driver just, what did the driver do? Just, well, I know, but that bad?
Yeah.
Have you guys seen one this bad before?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's been a while, but yeah.
Well, you just have to wait for...
Well, usually you don't have to wait for the brick guy because everything's tied in, but like they're gonna have to... This beam right here is only being held up by that corner of the brick, which is all coming this way.
Oh, because there's nothing.
Correct. So don't stand under.
Okay, just...
Can't do anything.
Yeah, I saw the brick.
Holding up the side, so we can't do any work until they shore that up, and then
Just
easy.
okay.
Yeah, let's just trailer.
In that corner.
Yeah, on the side where we had it before.
Okay. Will do. Cool beans, we are all set. Alrighty, I'm gonna go figure out what I have to do because I know we can't touch any of this. So let's go figure it out. Alrighty. So I'm making my way out of there. It just so happened that there was nothing we could do. I guess they had the village come out and the village said it was structurally secure. But then when we went up there, it was being held on by like 2 bricks. So we're gonna have to get brick guys out there and they're gonna have to look over everything and make sure everything is secure before we work on it, because the header, we don't want the header to fall because that would not be good. So right now I'm just going to pick up materials and then I'm gonna head back to the shop, and I think I'm gonna wash this truck. It's pretty dirty right now. But yeah, so that's my plan for today. It went from doing nothing to doing a lot to doing nothing again. So I will see you guys when I pick the camera up next. I'm not sure if I'm gonna record in there. I don't know how many people there will be. So just got done with Bedford Park. Picked up some of the track that I was dealing with, the same exact track we were looking for this morning. It's a GDS, which is the same little supply shop by us, but that one's a lot bigger, so I didn't really record anything because I was very confused and trying to figure out where to go, since it's a lot bigger than the one in East Dundee, Illinois. But right now I'm just heading back to the shop. I already know we have a call tomorrow morning that I'll be able to record. Yeah, but I have another hour drive back, of course, so I will see you guys back at the shop when I'm figuring out what I need to do next. We are back at the shop. I just need to unload this track, and I don't know, it's already almost 3 o'clock. I don't know if I want to wash the truck. I don't know if I want to... I don't know what I want to do yet. Come on. There we go. This is not like... So I was thinking about taking the ATV out because it's already 3, so I'm allowed to do whatever I want now. I know it has bad gas in it. This has a flat tire. I think there's another problem with it. I'll have to ask before I try it. At some point I'll take this out. I've done a wheelie on it on accident, but on purpose at the same time because I didn't fall, so it looked pretty sweet. That was also before I knew how to drive a stick shift. So I didn't understand how gears worked, and I tried to use that. This was, when was I? This was like 3 or 4 years ago when I tried it. So, but now I drive a stick shift car. I understand how gears work. So I want to give this a try again. I want to try that again. I guess I'll show you these. So these are some samples we got in from the new overhead door artisan collection, right? So this one is the cedar plank. It's more orangey. I'll try to set them up somewhere. So these doors end up being pretty loud outside, but as you can see, they're actually a flush door, so there is nothing, right? There's no texture here. There's a little bit of a texture, but these creases are fake. If you can see, it's a completely flush door, but it's textured with wood planks. If you look on the overhead door website, you can see that you can see it pretty good in this one. For some reason the other panels don't have it, but they plank it off, so it's not just one full finish. It's a pattern where the planks stop and start. So this is, you can see it a lot in this one. So it ends up making the door look fully made out of wood without it being fully made out of wood, which is really nice. And these actually ended up looking very nice. I like the beechwood. I don't think I like the cedar plank. I don't know if I like the carbon oak. That's pretty dark, but it could look good in some application, I think. And then obviously I like this color as well. This is the medium oak plank. So these are all nice little samples that we got. But besides that, I think I'm gonna call this video. It wasn't very super work oriented, but I just wanted to bring you guys along as I, went and picked up materials, and we saw that broken door. So yeah, so I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next one.